What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Mooch Life. Today is a big day. We are heading to Bowling Green, Kentucky, and Florida, and Nashville, because Mooch Life is going on vacation, and I'm taking you guys with me. Don't forget, if you like what you're seeing, subscribe, comment. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm trying to get monetized. I'm trying to make fun content. Mrs. Mooch, you ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's hit the road. We got ourselves like an 8-hour drive to get to Bowling Green, Kentucky, so we can hang out with all the best Camaros in all the land. Now, since we're going on vacation, after vacation, and we have to go all the way to Florida, we got an excessive amount of gear that we need to fit in the Camaro. But you don't need to see that. We'll just... And just like that, we are packed and ready to go. So we got our Florida suitcase, some food, some drinks. This is for the beach, a little tent we can sleep under at the beach. We got our book bags, camera equipment. We got some coolers, some car stuff. We are packed to the brim.
Say that again.
So let's get down there. We'll take Slimer on a nice voyage. We got our Mobil 1 synthetic oil in there, keeping our engine protected. So let's hit the road and we'll see you on the way. 7 hours and 45 minutes, 500 miles. You ready? You hot?
I'm sweating. Yeah.
All right, let's get this show on the road. So we've been on the road for about an hour and a half. We're making good time. We're supposed to get down there around 6:30 p.m. But I just wanted to show you guys real quick that it's impossible. We can't take a road trip without good old rain, man. Every time we go somewhere, rain, rain, rain. Right now it's 83 degrees. We're rocking to Michael Jackson on the MyLink. Mrs. Mooch is in chill mode right now. Yep. Slimer's getting dirty, but that's how it is, man. When you got a driver's car, she gets dirty. So what's really kind of neat on the way down here is we're actually close to Columbus, Ohio, and they got a big classic car show going on. So we keep seeing cars like this. I'll have to look up online and see what it's called, but we've seen like at least 30 different classic cars driving down the highway. So and I do remember hearing, I was talking to a coworker at work, he was telling me that there was a big show down in Columbus this weekend, and I forgot that we were driving through Columbus to get there. So yeah, it's pretty cool, man. We saw some Bel Airs and a bunch of old Ford trucks, and we got these old, I don't know, what are these hot rods, old, I don't even know. I'm not well versed in the classic cars, but it's pretty neat driving by them all. It's like a blast from the past. So,
That's so weird.
look at that New York license plate. Yeah, look at that mirrors. Oh, he's probably like, why are you filming me right now? So yeah, man, we're cruising. We're like having a mobile highway car show right now. That's a good time. And we've been blessed with the skies clearing up, and we are totally dry right now. So we'll keep on chugging along here. When we started, it was 82 degrees, I believe it was, and now it's 91, so we're getting up there. I wonder if it's gonna get up to like 100 degrees by the time we get to Kentucky, because the more south you go, hot balls. Hot balls. was that? Jesus Christ, dude. You sure you didn't own a Mustang before? We have 40 minutes to go before we arrive at Camaro Fest. And the luxury of living in the Eastern time zone, when you travel, sometimes you get to do this move right here. You get to go backwards the whole hour. There it is. We're an hour ahead of schedule now. It is not 6:41, it is 5:41 because we are now in the Central Time Zone, baby.
Okay.
You recording?
Yeah.
All right, so we made it. We are here. We made it to the hotel 8 hours later. Oh, I guess I should have turned it. Oh, no. It's down here. So we're going to pull into the hotel now. I'm going to drop off Mrs. Mooch in the... So, yeah, we just pulled in here.
Nick's truck.
And drop off Mrs. Mooch here at the front of the lobby, get all her shit out, and go park. Oh, there's Lauren. And then, yeah. What's up? Woo! Alright, we're here. It feels good to stretch my legs. Oh, I gotta pop my trunk. Look at this guy.
Is this Mark? Is this Muchacho's car?
Yes, it is.
Hurry up
It is
and go
Muchacho.
get your spots, and
All right.
we're gonna go up to the room. We'll take
Pull
your
around
stuff.
that way.
Okay, you wanna hop in?
Why don't you hop in the car?
All right.
Now we're time. Yeah. Beer in the car. Doesn't make the vlog.
Passenger seat. Still
Yeah.
illegal.
Oh yeah, we're in Kentucky. You can drink in the passenger seat, they say. So. Wait. Yeah, I can go that way.
Yeah. Just go left. Straight across the way. You'll see my car that's like parked like sideways, like
Yeah.
I'm taking up 3 spots.
Good.
And you need to double park so you can take up 2, because it's gonna be me, you, Andrew, and Lethal Camaro.
Okay.
So go.
All right, we are here pulling into the mecca of Camaros, the parking lot party. What's up, boss?
How you doing, bud?
How are you, sir?
How was your drive?
Long, 8 hours. Well, we're here.
Well,
So-
look, the twin turbo car's over there. It just got blocked in on both sides. So.
Well, we're gonna have that guy move.
What if
No,
no,
just go down. I'll tell him to
call
move.
Mike and see if you can put the cars up on the curb here?
Maybe.
There's cars on the other side on the curb.
Yeah.
All right.
Go into this one's the spot right here.
Oh yeah.
Yep, right. See this white car? That's my car there. Let me
Oh,
out here
gotcha.
so I can tell this guy to move before he gets all his shit out of his car. Just go forward. You're gonna basically park. One. Ah, shit, we won't have enough spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, shit. We won't.
All right, Mooch Lifers, we're in the parking lot here. We shined up Slimer the best we could. A little hand job in the parking lot. Looks good, looks good. Gonna pan around here, show you what we got. First evening. Camaros upon Camaros upon Camaros. Camaros for days.
Master mechanic at Cunningham, Ryan, who did the tune before. So then he's been just doing stuff. He's like,
Shut the
give it
hood
a try.
and don't look at me.
You know what's wrong with this car? It's not an IROC seat. That's the problem.
Here, let me get it. You got hold this. Okay, I'm gonna just rub the phone and talk.
It's fixing it. Muchacho's out here at Camaro Fest, and I found this guy with a luscious beard. I think he's from the 80s too. He likes MTV just like me. We're drinking Stella Artois because we can't afford Strohs.
VH1's better!
Look at this tall guy over here. I bet you he drives a Camaro.
I don't. I drive a Mustang.
Oh shit! Mach 1, 1968. Me and this bearded guy, we're gonna walk around because I got sexy jean shorts on. Look at those legs. Oh yeah. We gotta find an IROC Z. Do you think we can find one somewhere? Let's find out. Look at that bow tie. It's all lit up, but it's not an IROC Z. Look, that's a Ford Mustang. Hey, Mrs. Mooch.
Yes.
You happy? Why?
Donkey.
Oh, snap. There's our sign right there. Ohio, 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 Kentucky. You ready?
No.
You ready for this? Slingshot engage. Whoops, wait, wrong gear. Slingshot engage.
Oh my god, okay. This is not a good time.
Don't talk into this. I got this speed. I got this clip of me going fast and then you talking over the engine. Like, oh, this is a car vlog.
Yeah.
You're still recording?
Yes, I am.
Well, this is going in it. Because guess what?
Now everybody will know how horrible you are.
I am horrible. No.
Oh my god, I think I did good.
Yeah, that'd be real pretty.
I've probably gone half.